Right now I have a partially mounted InvisiLights control box. The purpose of today's video, I just want to share a quick tip. When you're installing these boxes, it is extremely helpful to have an extension bit. You can use just like a standard 2-inch Phillips bit, pick them up anywhere. But if you can add an extra 6 inches to the end of that, it makes mounting these so much easier, especially because the head of your impact or your drill really likes to get in the way of the corners of the box. And it's really easy to mar it or even melt it as you're trying to push through. So pick up one of these extension bits. It makes mounting in tight spaces really easy, and it makes it really easy too to get your screws to go straight in. So we'll speed the rest of this up, and you'll kind of just see how I like to use this. I'm just holding it this way. It's a little awkward, but I'm doing it so you can see a little bit better what I'm doing. And here's this last one. It's just in the back. That thing's not going anywhere. So now we have a professionally mounted InvisiLights box. There's no scratches, there's no marring, none of the plastic melted because we used the right tools. If you want to learn more about InvisiLights, you can check out our website, lightsatwholesale.com. We have a lot of upcoming trainings, both virtual and in person, where we teach you everything about the InvisiLights system, how to install it, and everything you need to know business-wise to sell permanent lighting to customers, and both residentially and commercially. Check us out, lightsatwholesale.com. Thanks for tuning in.